Hello, this is Deirdre Selby with Soul Enhancements, and today we are going to be focusing on gratitude. This is our gratitude meditation. Gratitude is one of the key elements of a balanced spiritual practice. It can be so easy when on this journey to get caught up in making progress in the connection and the messages, the energy itself. Are you a disciple of this teacher or that guru or another mentor? While on our spiritual journey, it is all about connection and light and love. It also entails a lot of soul searching, being willing to enter into and embrace our own unique darkness and shadow, with gratitude for all that is and all of the lessons that have brought us to where we are today. So, get comfortable in your chair, sit so that you are completely at ease and pain-free. Or, if you prefer, go ahead and lie down for the duration of this session. Take your time getting comfortable, move and adjust as you need to, and when you are ready, elongate your spine and try to sit taller. Open your chest, feel your long, beautiful neck. Sit up nice and tall, yet keep your shoulders relaxed. Gently close your eyes and breathe in deeply. Feel your arms lying heavy and relaxed by your side, and drop your shoulders. Breathe in deeply, in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Take 3 or 4 breaths like this. Allow yourself to begin to feel a deep sense of gratitude for the good things in your life, large or small. Breathe in and out. Begin with feeling gratitude for the things that you have. Start with thinking about things like the place that you live, be it large or small. It affords you safety and comfort, a place to sleep, to keep your things, the clothes you wear, those small items that make you smile. Breathe in deeply as you imagine these things with love in your heart. And as you exhale, whisper, "Thank you," for the things that make your life better, more comfortable, more enjoyable. Breathe in and breathe out. Now I want you to think about the people that you know and feel gratitude for the nice ones, gratitude for the ones that have taught you lessons. Those that were enjoyable, and even those that were maybe not quite so wonderful. Allow the people who have shaped you, the animals that you have loved, have known, those who have influenced you, to rise up in your mind, to show themselves clearly, to show themselves vividly before you. Perhaps you can hear how they sound, or smell that special scent that surrounded them. Breathe in deeply as you imagine these individuals, these remarkable beings with love in your heart, And as you exhale, whisper, thank you for the people and animals that make your life better, more comfortable, more enjoyable. Breathe in and out. And focus inward, becoming grateful for yourself, for your health, whether it is perfect or a work in progress. Being grateful for your wisdom as it grows every day. Being grateful for your kindness, the key you have to your own heart that is available to share with others and yourself. Be grateful for those times you stood up for those you love and your growing ability to stand up for yourself, even when it is not perfect, even when it is not easy, and when every nerve and instinct within tells you no. Be grateful for your ability to love others, to experience the feelings of love within and without. Breathe in deeply as you give yourself a big hug with love in your heart. And as you exhale, whisper, thank you. Breathe in and out. Life is about the smallest things. The big things matter, and it is in the little things we find our joy. Spend a few moments just thinking about the little things. Note what comes up for you. And whatever it is, be grateful for the little things. Breathe in again. Little things come together to create big feelings. Feel into the importance of the little things. And as you exhale, give yourself a big hug with love in your heart and whisper, thank you. Take a nice breath in and be grateful for your breath, bringing you life. Let your breath just fall away. When you exhale, feel your body sinking deeper into relaxation. Now, take some time to focus on the world around you and feel even more gratitude. The trees, the flowers, the water in the streams and oceans, the mountains, the animals, even the cities, the stores, our Mama Gaia. And as you think about the things you are grateful for, they will expand and grow. Live in the present moment by being connected to gratitude. Really feel yourself as you are, naturally, not as you expect you should just be. Just be thankful for who you truly are. Derive pleasure from all your senses. Feel the air on your skin. Smell the scents in the air. Hear any small noises in your environment. Enjoy who you are, the things you have right now. There is no more needed. We already have everything we need to make the most of our time here on earth. Be grateful for your existence because you are here. You are present. You are everything that the world needs exactly as you are right now. No more is needed from you. You are perfect exactly as you are. Good. Bring into your mind's eye all of that which swells your heart with love and gratitude. When is the last time you felt goosebumps all over your body, over a beautiful moment? Identify it. Think about that moment. Bring it up into your mind, your imagination. Focus on the sounds, the sights, smells, and feelings you felt at that time. Bring them forth now, reliving them in this moment. Feel that tingle on your skin that is the uncontrollable response to being in the presence of beauty and the awareness of love rising up from your heart center. Reside in that moment of love for the next 3 breaths. Breathe in and release. Breathe in and release. Breathe in and release. Now breathe into your heart. And as you breathe, feel the beauty of all these things growing inside of you. Breathe out and allow these things to grow so large that they force out anything that takes your energy and your peace. Bring all of your awareness to your heart and the love that you carry within for all these wondrous things you might sometimes forget you have. Feel the love you carry within you at all times, deep within your heart. As you continue to breathe normally, recognize the strength that focusing on these things and the love within brings to you. Imagine how they light you up. And imagine your brightness intensifying, growing, growing, growing to a maximum degree. Breathe in, and when you breathe out, you recharge, relaxing. Allow the brightness to build with every breath in, and yourself to recharge, relax with every breath out. See yourself twinkling like a star. Now hear yourself saying these words with conviction. You can say them out loud or quietly to yourself. I am grateful for this moment. I embrace each day with gratitude. I am grateful for my dreams and desires because I know that they are manifesting right now. Every day I am more mindful of the small blessings that I should be thankful for. I am so grateful for discovering my ability to create the reality I love. Every day I am grateful for the beauty of life. I am grateful for the privileges that I have been blessed with. I am thankful for each and every day. I am thankful for my abilities to achieve. Everything I put my mind to. I am grateful for my friends and family. Things in my life keep getting better and better. I am so grateful for that. Good. Take a moment right now to give thanks for anything and for everything you can possibly think of. Gently draw your awareness to the present moment and to your physical body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and as I count you back up, start to prepare for your day. 1, 2, 3. Feeling so much gratitude for your life. 4, 5, 6. Getting ready to go about a day full of fun and excitement. And 7. Ready to open your eyes. Give your body a gentle shake. Go about your day with a deep sense of gratitude. Namaste.